Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with an unboxing of my new Happy Planner. I'm so excited to show you guys. This was actually suggested to me by Rhonda, I believe. So this is, I think, called the Geo Planner. So it's the 2019, so it's January to December, which I'm really excited about doing a 12-month planner because the one I'm currently in is actually an 18-month and it got really big really quick. I actually had to take 6 months out of it. So I know eventually I'll outgrow these rings and need the expander rings, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and look at this one. It's always sticky right there. I don't know why they do that. Where's that stuff on it? Gross. Okay, so it says think, plan, dream, which I think is really cute. This is going to be my at-home planner and memory planner. And then it's got some like splattering right here, and then they always put in a little new note that says welcome to your Happy Planner. Then it says, hello, the Happy Planner belongs to, and then there's a line that says 2019. So this is supposed to be the most neutral planner, I believe. So here's like the month at a glance for 2019 and 2020. I like the personal goals, career goals, and financial goals. That's awesome. Then we have our January. I'm liking the way they've changed up this page where it says write it down. So this can just be notes, and then goal of the month, and then special days to note. It says organize, keep your mental and physical space organized. So I think that's really cute. And then it has some holidays down here for you. And I love that little heart. Then it says dare to begin. That's cute for January. All right, so this is what the monthly spread looks like. And I'm excited for this because it looks like the kits that I get from Sticker Monster Co. will completely fit this. Like this doesn't overhang over here. So I think it'll be perfect. But I love the little heart over here. Plan a happy life. That's so cute. And then it says monthly mantra. That's so cute. I know I'm going to say so cute like 100 times. All right, so this is the weekly spread. So the only thing that's different is that it doesn't have like the actual header lines, but the boxes are still the same length. They just look huge. It looks like I just got a big Happy Planner. I know, but I didn't, I promise. Oh, and these are kind of rose goldy, just in case you're trying to figure out the color. So it says, don't forget, and then check it off. So honestly, like I could potentially not cover all of this up. It does have like some geometric pattern down here, but I feel like that won't distract from the spread, and neither will the quotes, make your dreams happen. There was another one that someone suggested to me. It was like the coastal one, but it had like sea quotes at the bottom of each page, and I just wasn't feeling it. So the dates are still pretty big, so if I do date covers, I'll still have to white those out, but that's cool. Okay, let's jump into February. Oh, I love it. So this is like the same as the cover. It has that rose gold foiling on a lot of stuff. So I really like that because I like rose gold. So it has like the dates down here. This one says love. Take time to do what you love and enjoy every moment. I like this box, you guys. I really do. There's the monthly spread. Nothing different. And then here's March. Oh, that's going to be fun to decorate. And then right here it says learn. Schedule time to learn something new. And as a teacher, I appreciate that one. All right, and then we have April. So here's this one, affirmation, give yourself more compliments. I like it. You are awesome. There you go, I just gave you yours. Love fiercely, and it has like a little swan. That's cute, and there's space to decorate. So that's April, and then May. Let's do this, and plenty of room to decorate. This one says energy. Find your energy through being active, which honestly, May, I feel like is the month where the weather starts getting better, so we can be more active, right? Okay, June says journal, right? Wind down at the end of the day with journaling. I used to journal all the time, but then I started planning, and so I don't journal as much anymore. Do more of what makes you happy. Love that. And then I don't think the bottoms are really changing. Oh yeah, they are changing. Oh, I should have showed you guys. Okay, so that one has a geometric pattern. March for the weekly spreads has a little splatter at the bottom, so not bad at all. Like it's not going to distract from my spreads anymore. So, and then this one has just a light pink hexagons. That's not the big florals that don't necessarily go with my spread, so I'm excited about that. All right, let's look at what June is. So June is a splatter, and then I think just the first week has quotes on it. So a good heart keeps you beautiful. Let's look at July. Oh, it says this year looks bright. I feel like I have washi tape that looks like this. That was from Hobby Lobby. Came in a tube. So July is recharge. Give yourself time to refresh and recharge, which for me as a teacher, July is my recharging month because June is all of our birthdays, and then I'm about to go back to work. So That's always a necessary recharge. Okay, so there's the monthly. Then it says kindness changes everything, and you're back to like the geometric pattern. August. Today, that's cute with the heart. Inspiration. Find what motivates and inspires you, which I feel like is something that is a perfect quote for going back to school, because we always go back to school in August where I live. Okay, and then there's the monthly. And then it has the hexagons again, and it says inhale confidence, exhale doubt. I just feel like this is such an encouraging planner. Oh, I haven't even looked up here. Oh, it just has the A for August. I was like, is this different? It says play a happy life. It says on everyone. Ooh, this one would be fun to decorate because there's no quote. And then this one is unplug. Unplug from the world and spend time with yourself. Yeah, let's get some me time. Okay, there's the monthly. And then for this one, it's that like splatter paint. And then it says, say yes to new adventures. Okay, and then October, you got the different stripes and boxes. And then it says self-love, treat yourself with kindness, respect, and compassion. I like that one. I like the black tab for October. That's cool. And then got Halloween on there. And then here's the monthly. So you're back to the geometric. It says, practice being positive, which I think is something you have to do. You have to go into every day being a little more positive. Wild and free. Oh, that's funny. That's the name of the kit from Cupcakes and Stickies with the fox on it. Gratitude. Think positively, express gratitude, love others, which is great for November. There's Thanksgiving and all. Oh, good. Thanksgiving falls. Oh, next Black Friday falls on a payday for me. Yes. Win. Okay, it has the hexagons. It says fall in love with life, which I think is cute because it's like fall still a little bit, November. Most of us are feeling winter by then. Oh, the last week has quotes too. Happiness blooms from within. There's little quotes throughout. I'm not going to spoil all of them for you. Let joy be your compass. Joy, let go of worry, regret, and fear. Find the joy every day. Which I think joy is a great word for December. So there you go. There's Hanukkah, Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. So because that's the way it is, I wonder if we'll have school that day or if this will be the last day. That's weird. That's a weird thing. Okay, and then it says the splatter, and then it has be filled with wonder. Don't be afraid to dream big. And then it says always find reasons to laugh. So it's like every other week has a quote. So I didn't spoil all of them. Okay, and then the back page is just a note page. And then it says live creatively on the bottom there, in case you can't see. And then the back is just black, I believe. Ugh, I got sticky tape in there. Yeah, it's just black. So I hope you guys like the walkthrough of my, I think it's called Geo Planner. They only had 2 left at my Joann's, but if you type in Geo Planner, that's, I think, where to get it. I'm not sure if it's available at Michael's, but that's where I found it, was at Joann's, not Michael's. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe. And I'm super excited to use this for next year, and I hope you guys will be along for the ride. Bye!